Welcome. In front of me is a Lenovo Tab P11 and today I'll show you how you can record a screen on this device. Now to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notifications straight from the top like this. Now make sure you do it from your right side of the screen. And then one of the toggles here should be screen recorder. Once you see it, simply tap on it. It will give you a couple options like record audio, device audio, or you can tap on the drop down and select it to be microphone or both. Obviously, if you don't want to record any audio, just keep it off. If you want to record some kind of audio, toggle it on. And then show touches on the screen, which I will enable just so you can see how that actually looks like on a screen recording. From there, click on start. And there we go, it begins recording after the countdown. So whatever applications you open, whatever you do, will be recorded. Now this will have some limitations. I'll mention them in a second, so I'm gonna stop the recording. There we go. So the limitations is if you're planning to record things like Netflix, once you start watching a show, you will get just a black screen with sound. But obviously, for show watching, black screen isn't necessarily a show. You're basically having the equivalent of almost a story that is being told back to you by someone, which is not what you would be looking for. Now, some other apps like bank applications will black screen recorders as well, so keep that in mind. But anyway, a majority of the other things should be recordable without much of a problem. Once you finish recording, you can find that recording in your gallery application or photos, as it's called right here. And it will be visible right here at the very front, or later on you should be able to find it in categories under screen recordings, which I don't really have any categories because there is nothing here apart from this. But I can tap on this to play it back. You can see this little finger right here. That's where I was touching. So there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.